Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to set up Webhook inside Webflow. So Webflow is a website builder that lets you design, build and launch fully responsive websites without needing to write code. It's like having a powerful design tool and a website builder in one. People use Webflow because it offers creative freedom with its drag and drop interface while still giving you the control to fine-tune every detail. It's perfect for designers, freelancers, and businesses who want to create professional-looking websites that stand out without the hustle of dealing with code. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a company site, Webflow makes it easy to bring your vision to life. So now in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can connect your Webflow website with Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from your Webflow account to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. So here let's suppose that I own a edutech company and I have created my company's website using Webflow. And on my website, I have connected a lead form. So here in this case, I want whenever I receive a new form submission through my Webflow website, then automatically using that detail, a new contact should be created in my Google Contacts account. So here to set up this connection, I need to connect my Webflow account with my Google Contacts account. And to set up this connection, firstly I need to connect my Webflow account with Pabbly Connect. So in this video, we are going to learn about it. And here to build a connection between our Webflow and Pabbly Connect, we are going to use a type of integration that is Webhook. So Webhook is going to act as a bridge between our Webflow account and Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from Webflow to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. Also, you can say that Webhooks are like instant messengers for apps. So here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our connection by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to select my trigger application as Webflow. And here in my trigger event, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission. So here I'm going to show you this connection by using my trigger event as new form submission. But you can set up your trigger for site published, order created, order changed, inventory changed, or collection item created, collection item changed, or collection item deleted. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission so that whenever a new form submission is going to be made using the form which I have attached in my website, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture a response. And here you can see I have received a Webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this Webhook URL to connect my Webflow account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this Webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Webflow account, and here in my Webflow's dashboard, you can see both the projects which I have created as per my need. So here in this case, we are going to set up the connection for our project which is named as edutech. So from here, I'm going to click on the setting option given over here. And here under site setting, here in this left sidebar, you can see we have received the option for apps and integrations over here. So I'm going to select it. And now here under this apps and integration, I'm going to scroll it little down. And here you can see we have received the option for webhooks over here. And now here to add a new webhook, we are going to click on this add webhook button given over here. And now here after clicking over this, add webhook dialog box will appear in front of you. And here it is asking me to select the trigger type. So here in this trigger type, I'm going to select my trigger type as form submission. Because while building the connection, I have selected my trigger event as new form submission. So now after selecting this trigger type, here I'm going to select the API version as API v1. Because here in my Pabbly Connect, I have selected the application as Webflow v1. And then after selecting this API version, here it is asking me to enter the Webhook URL. That means here I'm going to enter the Webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my Webhook URL, and then I'm going to click on this add webhook button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook over here. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Webflow project. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this publish button given over here. So I'm going to click on this. And here you can see it says site published successfully. So now let's go to our website. And from here I'm going to click on this open designer given over here. And from here I'm going to publish this website by clicking on this publish button given over here. And then we are going to publish it by clicking on this publish to selected domains given over here. And here you can see we have successfully published our form, and here you can see we have received a link to our website. So here I'm going to click on this arrow and it will open my website on a new window. So with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside Webflow. So now here, after setting up the webhook, you can see here it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to submit a test response on our website form. So for that, let me take you back to my website. And from here, I'm going to click on this forms. And then I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission over here. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as user, email as demouser@pabblytunes.com, and a random phone number. And now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And with this, we have successfully made a test submission. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the phone number, last name, first name, email, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up the connection between our Webflow website and Pabbly Connect. And once we have set up this connection, then whenever we are going to receive a new form submission from our website form, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. And then after receiving a response over here, you can further transfer that response to any other application by setting up that application in this action step given below. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Webflow. I hope these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.